One Word Substitution Top 50 MCQ. A person who speaks many languages. Option B, polyglot. A government run by a king or queen. Option C, monarchy. A person who loves mankind. Option B, philanthropist. One who studies the origin and history of words. Option C, etymologist. A person who does not believe in the existence of God. Option B, atheist. A medicine that prevents infection. Option A, antiseptic. A person who walks in sleep. Option B, somnambulist. A place where weapons are stored. Option B, arsenal. A government by the rich. Option C, plutocracy. A person who loves himself excessively. Option D, egoist. A place where animals are kept. Option C, zoo. A speech given by one person. Option B, monologue. A person who is indifferent to pleasure or pain. Option A, stoic. A person who does something for free. Option C, volunteer. A handwriting that cannot be read. Option B, illegible. A person who is extremely patriotic. Option D, chauvinist. A decision taken by all members in agreement. Option C, unanimous. A government by priests. Option B, theocracy. A person who compiles a dictionary. Option B, lexicographer. A place where birds are kept. Option A, aviary. One who studies the stars and planets. Option D, astronomer. A person who is a lover of books. Option C, bibliophile. A person who believes in fate. Option A, fatalist. A government run by a dictator. Option B, autocracy. The act of killing one's father. Option C, patricide. A speech delivered at a funeral. Option C, eulogy. A person who is talkative. Option B, garrulous. A place where fish are kept. Option D, aquarium. A list of books available in a library. Option A, catalogue. A person who leaves one country to settle in another. Option B, emigrant. A person who is new to a profession or activity. Option D, novice. A disease that spreads over a large area. Option C, pandemic. A place where bees are kept. Option B, apiary. A person who eats human flesh. Option C, cannibal. A person who collects stamps. Option D, philatelist. A child born after the death of its father. Option C, posthumous. One who doubts everything. Option B, skeptic. One who writes with both hands. Option A, ambidextrous. One who studies insects. Option D, entomologist. A short poem or speech at the end of a play. Option A, epilogue. A person who loves solitude. Option B, hermit. A person who believes in many gods. Option C, polytheist. A person who composes music. Option A, composer. An animal that lives both in water and on land. Option C, amphibian. A person who studies human societies. Option D, anthropologist. Fear of height. Option A, acrophobia. A person who walks on ropes. Option B, acrobat. A person who pretends to have more knowledge than he possesses. Option A, charlatan. A life history written by oneself. Option B, autobiography. A person who hates women. Option D, misogynist.